Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen. Today I have a quick hack for you to be able to clean your flatware or your silver with minimal effort. So you're going to need to have just a bowl with some water for cleaning off, and you're going to need to have some ketchup or tomato sauce and a sponge. Preferably something that's not too textured, and if you're using a kitchen sponge, make sure you tear that abrasive section off so that you don't scratch your flatware. Now, quite often if you have old flatware that's been lying around in your house, it will be very tarnished like this, or you might have picked it up at a charity shop. And let's not kid ourselves that if you are buying something from a charity shop or if something's very, very old, the chances are that the real silver part has actually worn off. But that's not to say you can't get it looking a whole lot cleaner and more like this. So let's have a go. The first thing you want to do is just to apply some ketchup or tomato sauce onto the surface that you're cleaning, and you want to cover it fairly generously. I normally have a few things to do at a time, so what I will do is apply the ketchup to this, and then I will just set them aside in a tray for working on once I've applied all the others. You need a little bit of time just to let the acids in the tomato sauce, the vinegar and the tomato itself, start to actually react with the tarnish that's actually on your flatware. And then you're going to just take your sponge, also still having a bit of tomato sauce on it or ketchup, and you're just going to start rubbing the surface of your flatware, applying a little bit of pressure as you go along. And you will find that slowly but surely you get rid of all that tarnish. These areas where you've got like little ridges and things that have previously had metal polish on, you'll find clean up really nicely, and that black patina goes away. These flatware items are very, very nice for craft projects. You can make all sorts of things with them, from photo frames to hooks for hanging your coats on as you come through the door. If you have a look on my Pinterest account, which is Colleen Seymour, you will see that there are quite a few projects that you could do with flatware items. Right, so in this particular item here, I can see quite easily that this area is coming really nice and clean as I'm putting a little bit of pressure onto my surface. And sometimes you might find you just need to go back in a little bit and put a bit more tomato sauce on, let it wait, react a little bit more. Bit of patience, but it's not a difficult thing to do. Something that you can get your children involved in quite easily, and perhaps then later just reward them with a packet of their own fries or their hot chips so that they can enjoy it. But look how beautifully that is starting to clean up. Okay, so I'm not going to spend an awful lot of time on that because I think that I can convince you quite easily showing you that. And just to say that it really is as simple as putting tomato sauce on to go from something that looks really grotty to something like that. Leave it a little bit and then come back and wash it off. If you forget about it and the tomato sauce dries, it's not really going to damage your flatware at all. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'd love to hear from you. So there's a comment section below that you can leave comments in. And please subscribe to my channel so that you stay up to date with my latest videos. Bye for now.